Hello again, everyone. We are going into the second pomodoro of this refactoring. I have just realized before one small issue that we have over here. Let me see. I need to get this up to the end. And then I'm gonna replace I was using the standard frame constructor, not the bonus frame, which doesn't have a constructor. So let's gonna sort that out. Oops. So we are gonna have public over here. Is it first roll on the standard frame? It is called first roll. And it's gonna have the same name over here. Gonna create the field. Perfect. It's gonna fix the test. Rerun the test. Aha! Now these ones are going through properly with the bonus frame rather than the standard frame. Is there any other one from the standard frame that we want to add? And that is the case. We definitely want this one because there has to be a possible second roll if it's if it is how's it called, a bonus frame for a strike. Let's gonna, where's the paste? I'm blind. Okay, just gonna add one line over here. That's absolutely fine. This is the whole issue with the second roll. So let's gonna we could move that into a maybe we could move that into a command. Oops. What do I have? Integer over here. Oh, yes, a couple of days ago I used an option rather than an integer. So that's an interesting idea that we can use. I don't know if it gives too much to us over here. Integer. Let's gonna do for now. Integer. So in fact, rather than implement frame, so in fact extend the standard frame. It will make quite a few things easier because we will only be interested on the on the specific changes that we have for the code for the bonus frame. The other option that we have, rather than inheriting directly, is convert some of the. Can you do it in Java? I don't remember right now. Have default implementations. Okay, we can deal that with that in a second. Let's gonna see what we have over here. Oh, interestingly, so bonus frame does not score, yeah? So even when you have a second one, the frame score is still supposed to be 0. Now that I'm thinking about it, so it's still supposed to be 0 rather than 4. Doesn't matter how many pins, the fact that you have pins, because it's a bonus frame. It's only used for the bonus that is calculated here on the score. So it doesn't matter, it goes there. That is absolutely fine. Is there anything else that we need to do? In fact, no, we need to keep the information though. We need to keep the information. What else do we need to do? Simple as code. We don't have any test for simple as code anywhere. How are we doing it over here? Simple as code. We have it over here. I'm thinking, and again, this is part of this whole idea that I'm leaking things I shouldn't be leaking. You see over here, if it is strike, we are getting the simplest code at the very least. So we need to have some tests around it. As it happens to be, for the standard frame, we are not we are testing simple score indirectly through the score method. Ooh, maybe it can go away over here. Let me see just a second. Now that I'm seeing that. Oh no, it is because we add the score over here, and then for the next one, for the bonus frame, we have the simple score over here. Okay. Rather than frame score, which is already being handled by this one over here. Add so this one is supposed to be return 4, which now again is gonna fail because it's not doing the right thing, which is absolutely fine. And we put it over here. Oh, there. Do we need anything else? We have the first roll, because first roll is gonna be used here. Again, the way that we have done this bonus frame is not the greatest. Is something that we can deal with later. So first row value, we need to have some tests around it. So let's gonna do from here, let's gonna copy this. We don't need that. We need this. Oops. Okay, it's failing because it is not doing the right thing. We fix it. And I believe that's all the tests that we need to do the basic change that we wanted to do. Rather than adding a standard frame over here, we add a bonus frame. We don't need this. And this should still pass all the tests. If I'm done all my thinking correctly. Boom, all tests passing. So we have extracted the whole idea of bonus frame outside of the standard frame, and everything is still working as expected. Which, let's gonna start doing some additional stuff. We should be able to remove this one over here when it's not bonus frame, yeah? Now that test doesn't exist, it should not exist at all over here, because now every bonus frame is false. So let's gonna remove this. All remove. What I have done over there. Oh yeah, when the first roll is 10. Let's gonna run all the tests on the standard frame pass. More importantly, this one needs to pass. Perfect. What else we want to do? This one's over here. Now can disappear. And this will still be passing all tests. All the standard frame tests and all the bowling game tests. Perfect. Let's gonna remove the boolean from here. Oops. Let's gonna remove from here. Oh no, there is one more place I just seen it. That's what I dislike, having lanes that are too long. This over here. Remove that. Perfect. Now we can remove this one. So we still run all the tests. And now we can save delete bonus frame. Save delete bonus frame. Because it's not being used anymore. And now the constructors are so much simpler. Yeah? That run all the tests. And run all the tests. Marvelous. One of the first things that was bothering me, it has been removed. Okay. what will be the next steps? Okay, this one is one that, as I mentioned before, I'm not is it release? No, it's collections. Collections. No. Basic collection must map with index was no. It has to be list. It doesn't make sense that it's collections. Please, that's from Java. Huh? What is he doing? Okay. We are gonna pass over here frames dot stream. And over here we are gonna have the frame and the index. Okay. This should finish around here. We are mapped within this. We are gonna return the total. So we are going to return the total over here. This one is gonna be zero. Okay, let's gonna see what I am missing over here. I'm gonna have to have the this. Lots of indexing over here, that's fine. Let's gonna do for now. Is it still failing? Is it not mapped within this in the Guava? Do I have Guava? Yeah. I will say, yeah, Guava's over there. Let's gonna see why is. Yeah, second. I actually don't remember. Is a map with index? I'm pretty sure it's map with index. Yeah. Oh, the strings. Jorge. There you go. So we add that one. Remove this one. What it says over here. Okay, it's an unstable API at the moment. That's. I wonder if I have the latest. I don't have the latest version. That's fine. That's fine. Not to worry. We'll remove this. Remove that. And I believe this should work. Awesome. Why I'm doing this? Okay, there's a main reason why I'm doing this is kind of preparation from when I start moving all this away from here. I don't like the fact that it is here. All these calculations about the frame, that's information that the frame has. Yeah. By the way, now that I'm looking at it, this one is not needed here. This one. Frame. We have reduced the number of places in which we are using the index. Less places that you use an index, less places where you can make a mistake around the index. Yeah. Let me double check very quickly. Okay, 22 minutes. And again, this is kind of preparation for the future, in which frame takes care of this information rather than the being available over here on a score. The frame will know how to score itself based on some additional information around the area. Let's gonna talk very quickly about what will be the next steps. We have talked about this first row value. Why I am exposing that? That doesn't make sense. Simple score. Why I'm exposing that? That shouldn't be here. And this is here because when we are calculating the score of a frame, the frame only knows about itself, doesn't know about anything else. And therefore we have to add the kind of all this information over here. If it's space, if it's a strike, we have to add it over here and let the frame kind of decide. The score kind of decide what to do. And what I want to achieve is that this information gets removed from this one. Yeah. It gets removed from here, and I will let the frame completely know about if they want to score or not. So there will not be a first row value that will disappear. There will be no simple score that will disappear. In fact, it's a spare and it's a strike. Maybe it can disappear. Maybe. If we're looking at about showing this information on a GUI, probably we wouldn't want to remove that. Yeah. So we have the 1 + 1 over here, first row value. Can we remove this from here and just say, frame, give me your score, and the frame will know what score should be assigned to it. Yeah. And probably the easiest way of doing it there are two ways of doing this. Sorry. We can start passing that information about the next one into the score itself as a parameter, and then we can hide all of these within the frame score. That is a possibility, but then you have to pass two, because because of the way I have done it. No, because that's the correct way. That is the two strikes in a row that can happen here. So first frame, second frame, then the third frame. So that can happen here. So you always need to know the frame, the next frame, and the following frame. Okay. I think what we will be doing is kind of this. We will do it on the next session, whenever that happens. But I think that I'm gonna, as part of the constructor, I'm gonna link to the next frame. Yes. We are gonna add to the next frame. To the current frame, we add the next frame. So it has that information, and we can add that knowledge within the frame itself. Do you follow me? Well, if not, we will see on the next Pomodoro. Until then, enjoy.